Okay, so I put a video up on YouTube just I don't know 20 minutes ago about building a project called Seincode, which is a code base about nothing. And I just started working on it, but I forgot to actually record the initial like working on it. So here we go. I'm starting in Odin, of course, my favorite language. It's the best. It's the best language. It's my Donald Trump impression. It's pretty bad. Anyway, I'm creating something called a Newmanator, right? So remember, this program is not about anything. It's not like it'll do something, obviously, but it's not about anything, if that makes sense. So I'm creating something called Newmanator. Newman was a character in the show Seinfeld, played by something I forgot his last Will Knight or something Knight. I forgot his first name. I know his last name is Knight. Okay, so Newman was the character. I'm creating something called a Newmanator. What is a Newmanator? Fuck if I know. I'm just programming. I'm just programming, dude. All right. So Newmanator. Newman was a mail carrier for the state of New York, or for the United States Post Office or Postal Service, whatever it is. And so I figure let's make something like does Newmanator deliver things? It delivers packages, right? If we're talking about actual mail or Amazon items or whatever, packages have like their package itself is the box. It has an ID or something, and the box has a content. The content is usually some type of item. An item is like a name, a description, and a type. For now, we'll keep the type simple. All right, we'll keep the type simple. And we'll just do like a personal, home, auto, uh, pet. Let's say like uh yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now let's go over here into our numerator.odin file and package numerator. Which returns a pointer to we'll call it human live dot numerator. All right. Um, and this also um package delivered count. Right. So package delivered. This is incorrect. This needs to be I'll pass it nil for now. Nice. Okay. So what is a numerator going to do? We need to make package. Actually, we'll start from the bottom. Make new item. This will return a pointer to this item. all an item needs is a name. Okay. Um, item dot name. Let's see whatever is name. Item dot desk equals desk or D. Oops. And item dot type is equal to the type. Let's just make that T. Whatever T is. Okay. So we make a new item there, and then we need to make a new package. Make new package. And this will return a pointer to package. Okay, so package needs an ID. ID. Hmm. Oh, right, packages. Let's do P. Package is a keyword. Mhm. Okay, looks good to me. All right, so we make a new package, an item, and all that stuff. Okay, so now, what does the Newmanator need to do? Is delivering, what are we delivering and delivering to who? We should also make another type for, we can call it like an address. An address will take in, actually, we'll call it a customer, and we'll create a customer struct. All right, the customer will have a name, and we'll give them an just you can probably just work with the name, right? Like yes, customers like people who get mail have addresses. Yeah, we'll do that too. This is a string. Okay. See, this is the funny thing about it. Like this program, again, it's not going to really do anything. It's just, but I do have to actually program it using actual logic. Like, that's the fun part about it to me. Oh boy, I'm having a kick out of this, or getting a kick out of this. Um, Okay, so Newmanator, um, this will take in, this would be a pointer two. Um, okay, so every time Newmanator, and this should be, is delivering, should be uh delivery complete. Cool. Right. So we're delivering to a customer. We're delivering the lifespan of the Numinator will last so long as for only for as long as it delivers to the customer. So the moment that it delivers to a customer, then it's done, right? That makes sense to me. And then we create a new Numinator. Okay. And we'll make new customer. Customer has a name, an address. All right, that makes sense to me. Okay. All right, so now need to generate let's make a new file called constants. Um, hmm, what do we want to do here? You know what? I'm gonna fix this actually. I'm gonna make this is gonna be super complex for no reason, right? But we're gonna do it. So a customer's address is actually gonna be a type of address. And an address is going to have what? An address is going to have a street name, a street number, a zip code. Yeah, let's do it. Fuck it. Zip code is going to be also 32, and then that should really be it. Street name. Sometimes it could have an apartment number or something, but we're not gonna worry about that. Let's just pretend everything's a house. Okay, so now in our constants, we can make zip codes. It's going to be an array of, ooh, slice. Should I just make those integers? I think I'll just make those integers. I think this would require, so if I do, yeah, all right, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Um, Let me test something to make sure I'm doing it right. Let's go with 6,000, 6,025, 7,045. These are just arbitrary numbers, man. It doesn't matter, right? One, five, whatever. Yes. Mm, And let's go, right? Crazy zip codes, but whatever. It works. Okay. And now street numbers can be anything and street names. Mm, um, let's get a couple more. I don't know. Okay. Man, my shoulder is killing me. Oh. All right. So now we do need to make new address. Right. And this is gonna take in a name, number, zip. Name is going to be a string. Number is going to be 32. Oh, actually, you know what? No, this has to be set. Yeah, this has to be set. This matters. Zip is going to be a type of and actually this should be changed to engine lib. Or I mean, I'm sorry, Newman lib, but I'll worry about that in a minute. Oh, you know what? Zip code 32. Nice. Enter to Newman lib address. Okay. All right. So now, again, we it's gonna do something, but it doesn't matter. It's just so crazy because it actually have to think about stuff. Um, so let's go over 68 pointer to address. All right, and then we return that. No, we don't need to do, well, we do need to generate the so actually it will not take in this. It will do it in itself, and this will return the pointer to an address. All right. So address equals make, oh shit, you know what? I just realized I can't do that in here because we put that in there. We'll have to move it here. Generate address. All right. So this will um make a new address and then return address. Now, this requires some arguments be passed, which is fine. So we need to um for in um, or in um street name street names. Hmm. There's a random package. Rand math rand. There it is. Choice. Provide slice returns random. If no generator is provided, the global number generator will be used. All right, slice to choose. All right, so it just takes a random one, so I don't even need to do this. And declared street names. Street name. Okay. So do pass that street name. And then and what else do you need? You need a number. Okay. how do we do this? So street number. I actually make this dynamic. Make that dynamic, and we want to pin that. Our rand dot choice is going to, so from this, we need to get, shit, hold on. For num and nums. Hold on, I'm doing this wrong. Uh, choice equals ram dot choice, and then we're going to pass it nums. Now, append to street number choice. Okay. Now, street number, or I'm sorry, what is this? We need to, what's the order of this new address? It's name number, so we need to do street number, zip code. Now we need to pass this because this is dynamic. We need to go like this. I think. There. Potential. Oh, no, no, no. It's dynamic. Oh, I did want to do that, but it's wrong. Oh, you know what? I'm doing, yeah, yeah, I'm doing that wrong. Okay, I don't need to put it in an array. It needs to be a single number. Um, shit. How do we do that? I need to take that because I don't want to add them. I want to essentially concatenate them. Um, I don't want it in slice. I want it in a single number. What would that be? That's not an iota. Uh, what would that be? We want to take different numbers from this array. We want to take different numbers from this array and then put them in a single value. How would you do that? Concatenate, but I know that's from strings. Uh, why can I not think about this? This is dynamic. Right. Um, Hmm. I don't even know what that would be called. Let me ask the intern. You can concatenate. So you can't concatenate string. I don't want to concat. Oh, I could convert them into a. Oh no, hell no, we're not doing that. All right, let's convert them to a string, and then I think there's a string to integer value that we can do. I want to use a string builder. Uh, yeah, right. You went to the builder. String builder. Oh my God, I hate builders. I just don't get them. I don't understand them still. Builder. Okay. Now, value for values or value in value is going to be nums. Oh, no, no, no. I put in street number, right? Street number for number and street number. We're going to write right there, right? You went result. Result. I'm going to take this, turn this to result stir. Okay. So parse result is the actual value number of type. Not assigning what? Right, you went right to you and value to the pointer to a builder, the uint value to be appended base. Optional base of the numeric representation. The backing dynamic array may be fixed in capacity or fail to resize. And states the number actually written. The number of characters written or the number actually written. Those are two different things. Is there a parse U32? Oh my God, string con. Or string con. There's not. There's only parse 64. Right, so it has to be 64-bit unsigned integer, but we cannot assign value for number and street numbers to uint. Hmm. Even though they are, I mean, I guess I don't have to have it be dynamic, but we do need to, yeah, we do because we need to copy to the slice. I don't think regular slices have append. Shit. Street number for number in. Okay. So that does that. The parse result will give us a U64. We don't want a U64. We want it to be U32. Part, but we don't have a parse U32. Shit. Right. So how is there no right U32 either? Did I check that stream style? I think I just did check that. Right. U32. We can't make that a UN. Right. So it has that makes it 64. Parse this. Okay, can I somehow get that represent? I mean, I can change. It's not a big fucking deal. You cannot cast that. Can we transmute you? Oh no, no, no. Parse result is what we need, but we also need to transmute that. So trans U32 parse result. No, we can't do that. Uh, sh- mm, I mean, I can just change this to be 64-bit integers. Fuck it. Not a big deal. Okay. Oh, wait, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Did I not change that? Oh, this is expecting the wrong thing. Forgot about that. 64. Okay. Address, undeclared name, address. There we go. All right. Jeez, that was a pain in the butt. I did make that dynamic array. I'm not really freeing it anywhere. But if I free it before we make the address, it won't get this right. So, oh, well, I didn't use make. It is dynamic, but I didn't use the make keyword. So maybe I don't need to worry about freeing that. I'm have to, I'm not sure. I haven't fiddled around with that too much. All right, well, we're generating an address, right? So let's go over to main real quick. Main dot Odin, and we're gonna do package main, main, and we're gonna import some things. Import uh, dot slash source slash engine slash Newmanator and import engine lib. Might need that. Slash source slash engine slash library. Okay. Illuminator dot generate address. FMT print LN. All right. We need to dereference it, right? Because oh, you don't need to call that? Oh shit. So you can just print out a function. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Okay, there we go. Street number is a little bit much. One, two, yeah, let's make that four instead of five. That's much better. Okay, so we are generating an address. Great. Let's make a git ignore real quick. And anything that is dot bin so UI lib or just anything bin. I think that should be good. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. All right. That's very interesting. Okay. So we're generating an address. We need to do the same thing essentially for IDs or for packages and um, whatnot. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay, cool. Let me see how long have I been recording for? 40 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna upload this uh and see what happens. I don't know, sign code. I mean, again, I'm actually programming, but none of this matters. It's not meant to really do anything. It's going to do work on the back end or in about behind the scenes. Things will be happening, but it's not like there is a goal to any of this. I just created a freaking package called Newmanator, and right now we're generating an address for the Newmanator to deliver things to. Um, so it doesn't matter, but I'm having a fucking blast. And I'm taking this approach to write much cleaner code, like less comments, be more descriptive with my function names. I usually am, but just be a little bit better. Um, yeah, that's it. Peace.